keep a stiff upper lip. This means to remain resolute and unemotional in the face of adversity or difficult situations. This idiom is rooted in British culture, where displaying emotional restraint and stoicism is often valued. The stiff upper lip suggests not letting the upper lip tremble, a common sign of fear or anxiety. For example, even though he was deeply affected by the news, he kept a stiff upper lip and continued with his duties. Or, during the crisis, the leader kept a stiff upper lip, inspiring confidence in his team.